Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Identify the Android app package and whether an iOS native alternative exists. If not, set up a third-party cloud app streaming or remote emulator account. This is required because iPhone cannot run APKs natively. Next, make sure you have a stable Wi-Fi connection and a modern iPhone with the latest iOS. Slower networks cause lag. Once done, sign into the remote service and grant necessary permissions so the app stream or remote session can run smooth. Now you configure the middle steps. Choose between cloud app streaming, a web emulator, or connecting to an Android host via remote desktop. Install the client app on your iPhone. It only needs basic permissions for audio and screen control. Then, on the host or cloud dashboard, set resolution and input mapping. This reduces latency and aligns touch gestures. Make sure to enable persistent login and reserve enough session time, otherwise reconnects cost time. Once configured, test controls and responsiveness before continuing. Finally, launch the Android app through your chosen client and walk through core features. Confirm touch input, sound, and any file transfer work as expected. If performance lags, reduce resolution, cap frame rate, or move to a 5 GHz Wi-Fi band, these tweaks reduce network jitter. Make sure to close background apps on both devices. If something breaks, first restart the client, then check the host or cloud status and permissions, if needed. Switch providers. Some services handle input and codecs better than others.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.